Hi students, problem number 8. Light propagates 2 centimeter distance in glass of refractive index 1.5 in a time t. In the same time t, light propagates a distance of 2.25 centimeter in another medium. Okay, in a medium means another medium. So what is the refractive index of the second medium is asked. It is a very good question. Okay, we have already studied the concept of optical path by comparing the light traveling in air and in another medium. But here in glass and another medium is compared. So in the first medium, it is glass. Let it be glass. Now refractive index of the first medium with respect to air. So this is equal to mu1 divided by 1. For air, mu is 1. So this is equal to velocity of light in air, okay, divided by velocity of light in the first medium. So let us take that it is traveling a distance equal to 2 centimeter, that is x1. This is taken as x1. So this is c divided by x1 by t or mu1. So or mu1 is equal to ct divided by x1. This is equation 1. This is the refractive index of the first medium, namely glass. Now in the second medium, similar equation I am going to write. In the second medium, so mu of the second medium with respect to air is equal to mu2 divided by 1 for air. So this is equal to velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in the second medium is v2. So this is equal to c divided by distance travelled. It is not travelling the same distance. So some other distance travelled is x2. But the time taken is the same, is it not? They have given in the same time. In the same time t. Distance travelled is different, that is x2. Therefore mu2 is equal to ct divided by x2. So this is the equation number 2. Okay. Now mu1 is given. Mu1 for glass is given as 1.5. Mu2 I have to find out. Is it not? So I will take the ratio. Therefore mu2 divided by mu1. Mu2 divided by mu1 is equal to ct divided by x2 into x1 divided by ct. So which is getting cancelled now? C into t is getting cancelled because c is the velocity of light constant, t the same time they have given. So mu1 into or mu2 into x2 is equal to mu1 into x1. See, this is for your understanding. I am deriving, actually it's a derivation. But before going to the competitive examination, you should have some shortcuts. Directly you should remember this equation. Every time you cannot derive like this. Is it not? How this equation has come now I am explaining to you, that's all. But you must keep it in mind while going for exam. Direct you have to use this expression. Mu2 x2 is equal to mu1 x1. Therefore what is mu2 is equal to mu1 into x1 divided by x2. Understand? So here mu1, okay, here mu1 is equal to 1.5, x1 is equal to 2 centimeter. So 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. x2 is equal to 2.25 centimeter. 2.25 into 10 power minus 2. So into 10 power minus 2 meter. Therefore what is mu2 is now equal to 1.5 multiplied by, okay, 1.5 multiplied by 2 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 2.25 into 10 power minus 2. So this is getting cancelled. So this is 1.5 into 200 divided by 225. So this is 2.00. So 200. This is 2.25 into 100 is 225. So in 200 you divide by 25. How many 25s are there? 8. 8 25s are there. So this is 8. And this is 9. So this is 1.5 into 8. 1.5 into 8 can be multiplied now, or 1.5 into 8 is 3 into 4, that is 12. So this is 12 by 9. Okay, 1.5 into 8 easily you multiply by converting 8 into 4 into 2. So this is 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 by 9, once again it is divisible by 3. So 4 3s are 3 3s are 4 by 3. So therefore mu2, the second medium's refractive index is 4 by 3 is the answer. So you can see here option A itself is the correct answer, is it not? So mu2 is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore option A is the right answer. So I told you repeatedly, my dear students, for understanding sake how this expression has come. Now I am explaining, that's all. Have you understood? So in the exam what you have to remember is only this equation. Okay, mu1 into x1 is equal to mu2 into x1. Substitute directly, very fast you have to solve this problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.